Oh, that feels so smooth. Oh, I love it. I don't put makeup, so it's right on the suntan face.
Yeah, actually.
Oh, it just sinks in.
Just sinks in, eh?
Just sink. Oh, this is good. Can we eat it? It feels like you can eat it.
How could it feel like something?
Yeah, it feels yummy. Try it.
I'm going to right now.
Hi up there.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's cool. It's cool.
Oh, yeah. Very easy. Snap it on your lips. There you go. And on your eyelids. There you go. And you can
Oh, that feels so nice.
Doesn't it? Actually, give me your hand.
It doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Oh, it's silky. It's really
Very
nice.
silky.
It has a bit of granular.
And she has nice hands, you know. I got you.
I didn't know if it was that or the...
I really like it.
What am I
Oh,
going to
look,
do?
she's enjoying it.
That's so funny. Do you guys have any allergies? Perfect. The serum is only first, so we just do extract and put it in there. So that's why
Herbal extract.
Yeah, so that's why it kind of looks like a mahogany color, very light. So
Because I don't
flowers, herbs, seeds, flavonoids, polyphenols, basically anything you can eat.
extracts from the herbs. Yeah. Oh, that feels so nice.
And what does it smell like?
There is no pronounced smell. That means it's non-allergenic, right?
Yeah, it's not a it smell. It's mild but nice.
I like it. I can use
What do
it.
you think?
It doesn't smell too flowery.
Good.
So that's a good thing sometimes.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell flowery. That's
Yeah, this one smells
like flowers. Smell this one.
Oh, that's very mild. Yeah.
oh yeah. That's a little bit of thyme or sage.
Yeah, it has
Just a
some
little bit.
sage, it's very refreshing.
This.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
Oh yeah. It's gonna wake you up.
Yeah.
Like in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels great. It feels great. I'm a holistic nutritionist. I deal with this.
Why? Oh, I knew you had something. That's all it is. And how does the skin feel? Like, what's the feeling you're getting?
Plump,
Plump? Okay.
supple,
Supple.
smooth,
Smooth. Like this.
baby bottom smooth.
Baby bottom smooth. Yeah.
It has it has no alcohol in it, so it's not
It feels,
hot.
yeah.
So it doesn't
Definitely does. And
burn my skin.
doesn't use the
Feel
sticky
the
residue.
no, it has a feeling.
Perfect. No sticky.
Yeah.
Can you put your hand and see?
It's very
no sticky,
it's
eh?
very clean.
It is, right? It's
Yeah.
almost
But
like you forget.
look how fast my skin just absorbed it,
Yeah.
and still it didn't go back to the dry shape, to dry skin. Yeah. How long it's gonna keep me that moist?
It keeps her quite a while. You know, I think people don't have it. I do it twice. So I do it in the morning.
You don't need it.
Yeah. Because I need it because my skin's very sensitive. And look at the color of my skin. I'm not high all the time.
Oh yeah, you're.
So I get burns, and then I do have acne. So to heal that a little bit more. So I use it in the morning and at night.
That's a nice serum to have.
It is. No, it's. Oh my gosh, it's like gold.
Yeah. Eh? Who formulated it? You?
Yeah.
Madame?
Yeah, she took chemistry and
Hey,
that's 5 years.
excellent.
She figured it out. Yeah.
So you formulated that serum? Okay. Do you produce it? Do you fabricate it?
Oh, no, not much production. It's only handmade and
Oh, it's artisanal, only small.
This is your own private formulation.
So I can place an order and you're gonna have it made for me.
made all custom made. Yeah.
That is rare.
So she's just like your sister. Sister's a
Yeah,
chemist
chemist, yeah.
as well.
It's custom made. Depends what needs people have. I change it. I add more of this product so people will be happy and it will be better effect on them. And it's all custom made. It has to be stored in the fridge.
Oh, that means it's alive.
That's why.
If it's perishable, it is alive.
It is alive.
That's why.
That's great.